the implicit meaning, and how can we understand the kind of the implicit meaning in relation to context. Now I would like to move on further and read just a little bit some slides in my presentation. And if I'm talking about the meaning of political cartoons, then I have to differentiate first of all between cartoons and caricature. Because a lot of people today probably may be confused about cartoons and caricature. And I would say that caricature is based on a kind of exaggeration, it's based on a kind of distortion, but cartoons is based on neutrality. Cartoons itself is a very comprehensive term. Actually today some people use both terms interchangeably, but I would say that cartoons is something that's used in order to convey a message to all people. It's something that's not drawn randomly, it's something that's drawn specifically in order to convey a particular message, especially in visual discourse. But if I'm talking about political cartoons and editorial cartoons, but I have to mention here also the difference between them, that in editorial cartoons probably can be published in any page. Now, sorry, political cartoons can be published in any page in the newspaper, but editorial cartoons can be only published in the editorial pages. I mean, in political cartoons, we can find political cartoons in the front page. We can find that also in the final page or probably in the middle, but editorial cartoons should be published only in editorial pages. Now, well, if I'm talking about political cartoons and visual discourse, then I have to differentiate four important elements for understanding cartoons. As I said before, cartoons is not something randomly drawn, it is something that has strategic functions. And the four elements probably that works well in understanding more about visual discourse are condensation, combination, opposition, and domestication. Now let me, in a nutshell, explain everyone. Condensation means a kind of simplifying any issue or any topic in our society in a very simple form. And combination means collecting all of these topics together in one form. Opposition means